Unraveling the essence of conclusion and recommendations in academic writing. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic writing, focusing on a vital part, the conclusion and recommendations section of theses and dissertations. This is where you wrap up your research and suggest ways forward. Let's get started. The conclusion is your chance to wrap up your findings and provide a closing statement for your research. Here's what it typically includes. Summary of key findings. Reiterate the main results of your research, reminding the reader of what you discovered. Relating back to problem statement. Explain how your findings address the research problem or question you started with. Significance. Discuss why your findings matter. What impact do they have in the broader context? Writing an effective conclusion requires some strategies. Be concise. Your conclusion should be succinct, summarizing your findings without introducing new data. Create a strong ending. Leave the reader with a lasting impression. Think about the larger implications of your work. Avoid repetition. While you're summarizing, ensure you're not just repeating sections from earlier in your thesis or dissertation. Recommendations follow the conclusion and are suggestions or proposals for future actions. These can include further research. If there are unanswered questions, what further studies could be conducted? Practical applications. If your research has practical implications, how can these be implemented? Policy changes. Does your research suggest changes to current policies or practices in the field? Here are some guidelines. Be specific. General recommendations are less impactful. Be clear and precise about what you propose. Relate to your findings. Ensure that each recommendation stems from your research findings. Prioritize. If you have multiple recommendations, consider presenting them in order of importance. There you have it. The conclusion and recommendations section of your thesis or dissertation is where you wrap up your work and propose the next steps. Always remember to keep it relevant, concise, and impactful. We hope this video sheds light on how to craft this crucial part of academic writing. Happy writing, and see you next time.